It's time to experience something glorious. Unacademy Combat. Compete, crack, conquer.
एक ऐसा चैलेंज जो यूपीएससी सीएसई एस्पिरेंट्स को लाएगा उनके मंजिल के करीब.
Where you put your knowledge to test
And battle it out with the best.
ताकि आपकी तैयारी बने और भी पक्की.
Unacademy Combat is the most competitive gamified contest for UPSC CSE till date. जहां आपको मिलेंगे बेस्ट क्वेश्चंस जिन्हें सेट किया है बेस्ट एजुकेटर्स ने.
देखिए डिटेल्ड वीडियो सॉल्यूशंस टॉप एजुकेटर से हर कॉन्टेस्ट के बाद.
लीजिए हर कॉम्बैट को लाइव और पाइए रियल टाइम रैंकिंग्स अमेजिंग प्राइसेस के साथ.
लगातार हर कंटेस्ट में पार्टिसिपेट करें और अपनी रेटिंग्स इंप्रूव करें.
Challenging contests every fortnight or alternate Sunday. Live ranking after every question. Big rewards for top rankers. Your passion to crack UPSC CSE deserves this. Your hard work towards your dream deserves this. Fuel your inner fire for the ultimate UPSC CSE challenge. Unacademy Combat. Register now.
Hi everyone, as you have seen that Unacademy has launched Unacademy Combat, which is India's most competitive, for the first time, a gamified version of UPSC CSE. You can win exciting prizes in this combat challenge. It's going to start from 6th of December 2020. Do not forget to register. The link is given below in the description box. So let's start today's class. आज की क्लास शुरू करते हैं. So as I have told you earlier also, that alternative days on the alternative days I will myself decode the newspaper, and then on the other days you have to decode the newspaper yourself, and I'll tell you how to do that. So for example, on 1st of December I have decoded the newspaper for all of you. Now on 2nd of December I'll tell you which articles are important and from which perspective you have to study those articles, how you have to make notes, what are the topics you have to make notes on, and you will do that yourself. इससे क्या होगा, what will happen with this, that you will be non-dependent on anybody else for your own note making procedure from the Hindu newspaper. इससे आपकी डिपेंडेंसी और लोगों पर और किसी वेबसाइट या वीडियो सेशन पे कम हो जाएगी और आप खुद से लेवल अप कर पाओगे अपनी प्रेपरेशन को. Okay, so let's look at page number 1. Page number 1 पे देखते हैं. Always keep in mind that you have to keep with yourself a copy of UPSC CSE syllabus. Okay, आपको आपके पास ना एक UPSC CSE के syllabus की कॉपी रखनी है. I've also uploaded the same on my Telegram channel. ठीक है, simplifying UPSC with ease. So let's look at the first page. First page पे देखते हैं farmers continue protest as no deal reached in talks with government. We have already covered this in the last class, that is on 1st of December. The farm bills, why the protest is going on. तो ये पढ़ने की जरूरत नहीं है, फिर से repeated news है. GST inflows top rupees 1 lakh crore for second month in a row. Over here you have to study about GST because UPSC is again and again targeting this GST topic for your prelims. What are the items which are covered under GST that you have to study? What is GST? What is GST compensation tax, right? ये compensation cess क्या होता है? न्यूज के अंदर, इन दिस न्यूज यू जस्ट हैव टू सर्च, नॉट दिस आर्टिकल इज इंपॉर्टेंट, योर सर्च इज इंपॉर्टेंट. यू हैव टू सर्च अबाउट जीएसटी, व्हाट इज इट, हाउ इट वाज इम्प्लीमेंटेड, एंड व्हाट आर द आर्टिकल्स व्हिच आर कवर्ड अंडर जीएसटी. बिकॉज इन 2017 अ क्वेश्चन ऑन द सेम केम. PYQ prelims में 2017 में क्वेश्चन आया था. They gave you the list of articles, then they asked what are the articles are covered under GST. Okay, so a little Google search is necessary for GST topic. तो ये आपका GS पेपर 3 के पर्सपेक्टिव से इंपॉर्टेंट है, इकोनॉमी के पर्सपेक्टिव से इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ठीक है, तो नो नीड टू रीड दिस न्यूज, बट येस यू हैव टू स्टडी अबाउट GST. ठीक है, तो ऑन गूगल यू जस्ट हैव टू सर्च GST UPSC and they'll give you the information. Choose any one website to cover the information on GST. If you have already made notes on GST, then no need to repeat those notes. अगर already notes बना रखे हैं तो well and good. If you are new in this preparation, you haven't studied about GST, then you have to do that. Okay. Now next important article. Now on page number 6 you will find this editorial which is related to your GS paper 1. ये एडिटोरियल आपके जीएस पेपर 1 सोसाइटी से रिलेटेड है. इट्स अ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एडिटोरियल दैट यू हैव टू रीड. इट्स रिटन बाय एन ऑनररी प्रोफेसर, सेंटर फॉर द स्टडी ऑफ डेवलपिंग सोसाइटीज, राजीव भार्गवा सर. So over here, he basically was pointing out that now people have started recognizing themselves belonging to only one community. For example, if you are from Bengal or if you are a Bengali, then that person cannot be an Odia or cannot be an Assamese. If Hindu, then not Muslim or Christian. So this idea of exclusive belongingness, it has just come up in the recent times, right? And even today, a very substantial number of humans, they appear not to have this idea. There are people who do not adhere themselves or fix themselves or limit themselves to this idea that they belong to any one community. They are open, they are secular minded, open minded. But many people in our society, they have this belongingness exclusively to one culture, to one religion or one language, which is very undesirable, because then it you can say sways away the talks on unity, brotherhood, fraternity, right? It destroys that in a society. If you are extensively, exclusively thinking that you belong to one community, in that case communalism will spread. In that case there will be no unity among people, no brotherhood or no concept of fraternity in the society, which is required to maintain peace in the society, right? So this article talks about that idea of unity, that we are not limited to any one community, or we are not limited to any one culture or tradition. We should be opened up to every culture, every mindset, every thinking, every religion, right? We should be opened up. We should think in terms of brotherhood, not in terms of communalism. So this has been talked about in this particular editorial. It is a must read editorial. इस editorial को पढ़ना मत भूलिएगा, ठीक है? काफी important editorial है. Now next editorial, इधर आप देख सकते हो. This is again very important for GS paper 2. ये आपके GS paper 2 के लिए बहुत important editorial है. We all know that Shanghai Cooperation Organization can strengthen up our geopolitical balance and regional engagement globally, right? आप सबको पता है ना कि Shanghai Cooperation Organization में हमारी membership कितनी important है, कितनी ज़्यादा precious है, क्योंकि हमारे regional geopolitical engagement और regional engagement को ये और ज़्यादा strong कर सकता है. This is the platform wherein we can strengthen up our geopolitical engagement. We can maintain a balance, and we can also talk about countering terrorism on this platform, and we will be getting support also from the other nations. So this editorial is very important for your international relations. Even if you have PSIR as optional, this editorial is important for that. Plus it also talks about the concept of Asian NATO. We always have distanced ourselves from the NATO, right? हमने हमेशा अपने आप को NATO से distance करने की कोशिश की है. यहाँ पर ये Asian NATO की बात करता है. What is this concept? That is important. ठीक है? So please read this editorial. It also talks about state terrorism. How can we counter it in disputed areas? State terrorism की भी बात करता है. It talks about influential and responsible participant in the modern system of international relations. How can we level up our engagement in that? So that is also very very important. तो इसको जरूर पढ़िएगा. This editorial is again important. The next editorial, the last straw is being further disabled. This is extremely important editorial from the perspective of GS paper 2 social issues. Here, the editorial talks about denying a prisoner with disabilities his recognized rights. The editorial says that if you deny a person with disabilities his recognized rights, right? अगर एक prisoner है, जेल में कैदी है, जो disable है किसी तरीके से, अगर आप उसको उसके recognized rights deny करते हो देने, just because of his disability you are denying him his rights, then it's a legal wrong and it displays lack of compassion. So this editorial again is very very important. It talked about the Father Swami, the 83-year-old activist who suffers from Parkinson's disease. He was arrested by National Investigation Agency in October, right? Because of his involvement in the 2018 Bhima Koregaon violence. So he was lodged in Mumbai's Taloja prison. So he reportedly made an application to be provided with a sipper and straw. As he was unable to hold a glass because of Parkinson's disease, his hands were shaking. So his request was, inexplicably deferred for 20 days. 20 days पे उस पर कोई response ही नहीं आया, right? So that is why this is inhuman. This shows lack of compassion from the part of the governance. So this is a legal wrong. This has been discussed in this editorial. तो इसको जरूर पढ़िएगा, ठीक है? There is an international law also, right? That is the UN Convention on the Rights of Persons with Disabilities, which applies to all persons with disabilities, including the detainees and the prisoners, right? And to this, particular law, India is also a signatory. So this is very very important. ये काफी important article है जिसको आपको आज पढ़ना है, ठीक है? The next important editorial आप देख सकते हो. This is the most important editorial and this we have covered in the month of November also. हमने ये नवंबर के मंथ में भी कवर किया था. GS पेपर 3 के perspective से important है. On page number 7, why business barons should not run bank. I told you ना that your ex RBI governor, he was pointing out to the working committee's report of RBI that they were allowing private participation in opening up the banks, right? Making them enter into the financial system. So over here, this particular editorial also confirms the doubts and fears of Raghuram Rajan, that if you allow the business barons to run the banks, it will not only enrich themselves but also crush the competition. So this is very important, why private companies or private entrepreneurs should not be allowed to run banks. तो ये important है आपके GS पेपर 3 के लिए कि क्यों प्राइवेट जितने भी आपके आपके जो एंटरप्रेन्योर्स हैं या जितने भी बिजनेसमैन हैं उनको परमिशन क्यों नहीं देनी चाहिए बैंक्स चलाने की. दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सो आई होप दिस इज क्लियर. आपको इस आर्टिकल में यही पढ़ना है. ऑल यू डू नॉट हैव टू सर्च एनीथिंग एल्स इन दिस एडिटोरियल. यू जस्ट हैव टू रीड दिस एडिटोरियल. दे हैव गिवन यू द वे फॉरवर्ड ऑल्सो, राइट? तो ये एडिटोरियल ही काफी है, इसमें से ही नोट्स बनाने हैं आपको, ठीक है? Now over here this is your page number 10. ये page number 10 हो गया. This is important from prelims perspective. ये article prelims perspective से important है. The चार धाम project, right? चार धाम प्रोजेक्ट के ऊपर क्वेश्चन आपका 2016 में भी आ चुका है. इन 2016 और आई गेस 17 ऑल्सो दिस क्वेश्चन केम ऑन दी चार धाम प्रोजेक्ट, ठीक है? सो दिस इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. चार धाम परियोजना और चार धाम प्रोजेक्ट जो है ये काफी इंपॉर्टेंट प्रोजेक्ट है विच इज बीन टेकन अप बाय मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ रोड ट्रांसपोर्ट एंड हाईवेज, ठीक है? फॉर दी कनेक्टिविटी इंप्रूवमेंट फॉर चार धाम. सो व्हाट आर द प्लेसेस कवर्ड इन चार धाम? चार धाम में कौन कौन से प्लेसेस कवर्ड हैं इन चार धाम? द प्लेसेस आर केदारनाथ, बद्रीनाथ, यमुनोत्री एंड गंगोत्री एंड इट इज इन उत्तराखंड. यू हैव टू रिमेंबर द नेम ऑफ मिनिस्ट्री. आपको ये मिनिस्ट्री का नाम याद रखना है. हु इज द कोऑर्डिनेटर इन दिस प्रोजेक्ट, हु इज कैरिंग आउट this project, and the places also where this project will be carried out. It will be in Uttarakhand. It will cover Kedarnath, Badrinath, Yamunotri and Gangotri. The cost of the project is around 12,000 crore. And who are the implementing agencies? Uttarakhand State Public Works Department, BRO and National Highway and Infrastructure Development Corporation Limited. तो इसके अंदर आपको और एक्स्ट्रा क्या पढ़ना है? What you have to search in this particular article? You have to search over here about Border Road Organization, which is the implementing agency. BRO. It was conceived and raised in 1960 by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru for coordinating the speedy development of a network of roads in the north and northeastern border regions of the country. And who has it works under whose administrative control? किसकी administrative control पे BRO काम करता है? Ministry of Defense. So these are the points that you have to search. थोड़ा सा search करना पड़ेगा इसमें points. ये article important नहीं है, इस article के अंदर ये points important है. What is Chardham project? Who is implementing it? Why it is being implemented? And what are the places it will cover? And what is BRO? ये points आपको पढ़नी है, ठीक है? So I hope यहाँ तक points clear हो रहे हैं. Another important article from GS paper 2's perspective on page 13. China Pakistan sign military deal. So China and Pakistan, they have signed a new military memorandum of understanding to boost their already close defense relationship. राइट तो ये जो डील है इसका इंडिया पे क्या असर पड़ने वाला है ये आपको इसमें थोड़ा सा इस एडिटोरियल से ही समझ आ जाएगा. आफ्टर रीडिंग दिस आर्टिकल ओनली यू विल अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज दिस डील एंड हाउ इट्स गोइंग टू इम्पैक्ट इंडिया ऑल्सो. ठीक है, तो ये जीएस पेपर 2 के पर्सपेक्टिव से आपका इंपॉर्टेंट आर्टिकल है. नेक्स्ट इंपॉर्टेंट आर्टिकल ऑन पेज 14, ये जीएस पेपर 3 के पर्सपेक्टिव से बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. पीएमआई shows, that is the purchasing manager index, shows manufacturing losing steam. Purchasing manager index, what is it? ये क्या है? Because the question came in prelims previous year question paper. ठीक है, एंड हाउ इट इज कैलकुलेटेड, कैसे कैलकुलेट किया जाता है इसको, ये आपको पढ़ना है. दिस इज इंपॉर्टेंट फ्रॉम प्रीलिम्स पर्सपेक्टिव. ठीक है, ये 2 पॉइंट्स आपको पढ़ने हैं, व्हाट इज इट एंड हाउ इट इज कैलकुलेटेड. थोड़ा सा इसमें सर्च करना पड़ेगा. ठीक है, सो दीज वर द इंपॉर्टेंट आर्टिकल्स दैट यू हैव टू स्टडी टुडे. सो फर्स्ट इज ऑन पेज 14 1 article, then page 13 another, that is 2 articles you have to study so far, then 3rd article on page 10, then moving ahead 1 editorial on page 7, तो 4 articles हो गए, 5 6 7, then after 7 so far we have covered 7 articles, 7 के बाद थे 8. So in today's Hindu newspaper 8 articles you have to study. आज के हिंदू के न्यूज़पेपर में आपको 8 articles पढ़ने हैं. ठीक है, सो इट्स नॉट टफ, थोड़ा सा बस सिलेबस की पकड़ स्ट्रॉन्ग होनी चाहिए. जस्ट द होल्ड ऑन सिलेबस शुड बी वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग. So you can easily identify what articles you have to study and what you have to leave aside. So this was all for today. I hope you enjoyed the session and I hope you will now search and make notes accordingly, and also make sure that you are not copying and pasting what you are searching online. जो आप online search कर रहे हो उसको copy paste नहीं करना होता. What you have to do is you just have to summarize the articles. What you study you have to summarize it in few points. 10 से 15 points में जो आपने पढ़ा है उसको summarize कर लो, या एक पेज में maximum summarize कर लो अगर बड़ा article है. ठीक है, so if the article is big you can summarize within 1 page. So that is how you have to study the newspaper and make notes. So I'll be uploading this PDF on my Telegram channel with these markings, so you can refer to the PDF as well. Thank you.
Time to experience something glorious. Unacademy Combat. Compete, crack, conquer.
एक ऐसा चैलेंज जो यूपीएससी सीएसई एस्पिरेंट्स को लाएगा उनके मंजिल के करीब.
where you put your knowledge to test.
And battle it out with the best.
ताकि आपकी तैयारी बने और भी पक्की.
Unacademy Combat is the most competitive gamified contest for UPSC CSE till date. जहां आपको मिलेंगे बेस्ट क्वेश्चंस जिन्हें सेट किया है बेस्ट एजुकेटर्स ने.
देखिए डिटेल्ड वीडियो सॉल्यूशंस टॉप एजुकेटर्स से हर कॉन्टेस्ट के बाद.
लीजिए हर कॉम्बैट को लाइव और पाइए रियल टाइम रैंकिंग्स अमेजिंग प्राइसेस के साथ.
लगातार हर कंटेस्ट में पार्टिसिपेट करें और अपनी रेटिंग्स इंप्रूव करें.
Challenging contests every fortnight or alternate Sunday. Live ranking after every question. Big rewards for top rankers. Your passion to crack UPSC CSE deserves this. Your hard work towards your dream deserves this. Fuel your inner fire for the ultimate UPSC CSE challenge. Unacademy Combat. Register now.